Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. Man, I look a little bit tired. I am. Been a long few weeks. So, anyway, want to talk to you guys that change your own oil. Ran into a little problem this morning with a little 2006 Toyota Sienna, which is the vehicle right here behind me. This guy changes his own oil, which is okay. I don't have a problem with that. I think it's fantastic if you want to do it yourself. You get to know your vehicle a little better when you work on it. There are, however, a few things you need to check when you change your own oil. Very first thing after you get the oil change done, check the air filter. This van came in, they were complaining that when they were climbing up a hill or a canyon, the van just wouldn't go. So naturally, I assumed the worst. Instead of checking the basics first, had all my fuel pressure gauges, all my computers, everything hooked up to it. So if you do your own oil changes, check the air filter. Check all your fluids. There's multiple things that need to be checked when you change your own oil. Be a little bit thorough with it. If you don't know what to check, get with me and I'll tell you. Anyway, here's this air filter. Now that right there would be trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. That's really hard to do. These engines gulp a lot of air when they're working really hard. If they can't breathe, they won't drive well as get poor fuel economy. Because you're not getting enough air, the computer can't mix the right amount of fuel with it, so it messes things up a little bit. Anyway, a few things to think about. If you got any questions, holler at me. You all know how to get a hold of me. I hope you all have a great weekend. We'll see you later. Bye.